two-step. Holding the clutch is the first step. Changing the gear, and it means running into the pranic body, is the second step. Let me explain both the steps. Now I am going to explain the first step. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. You are going to stand. Let me finish the instruction, then you will do. First step I am describing. For how much of time, don't bother, because I have to take my own time. Once all of you are ready, then you will be pushed. It's like a whole group will be pushed inside. Literally pushed inside. So once you are all, it will not be more than half an hour. That much you can be sure. First technique, first part, you will inhale as slowly as possible, hold as long as possible. When you feel I am not able to hold anymore, no, I am going to bust. 1 second more. 1 second more. And when you feel that's all, then exhale very slowly, not quickly. Exhale as slowly as possible. After exhaling, keep your lungs empty as long as possible. Don't breathe in, don't inhale as long as possible. When you feel I can't, no, that's all. 1 second more. 1 second more. Just as long as possible. Again, when you want to breathe, inhale slowly as possible. You understand the cycle? As slowly as possible, inhale. Hold as long as possible. Exhale as slowly as possible. Keep your lungs empty as long as possible. Don't concentrate on anything else except this breathing cycle. Clear? This is the first step. As till I give the instruction, do the same cycle continuously. First step. Second step, the moment I give the instruction, sit wherever you are. Sit and start creating, bringing up all your desires. If you have a desire to live with a big car, feel just you are living really with that car. Bring all your fantasies to life. Please be very clear. Live really as you want. Actually, all your dreams are made of the same stuff in which the world is made. The whole world is made of the same stuff in which the dreams are made. Please be very clear. The world is made of the same stuff in which your dreams are made. Your dreams are made in the same stuff in which world is made. You will have now two things. The capacity to produce, to make your dreams into reality. The intelligence to understand the reality is your dream. Two things. The Shakti to create your dreams into reality. The Buddhi to understand the reality is your dream. See, very subtle. Understand. When you flood your energy into pranic body, you will be very clear. You will be able to see above, see from little distance. Whatever you see as a reality is made of the same stuff what you call as dreams. Whatever is your dreams is also made out of the same stuff what you call as reality. Second step, just do this technique. The understanding will automatically rise in you. Second step, first step is the breathing cycle, holding the clutch. Second step, just live your desires. Allow the body to move along with your desires. If you feel like you are having if you want to have a big house as your desire, just leave that house. Live in the heaven. Pamper yourself just for a few minutes. Why do you always hold your logic? You always think you can enjoy only if you have a house. Can't you enjoy a few minutes without it? Why do you see? You think you can enjoy this house, this place only if the whole land is written in your name, registered in your name. Why do you always hold the logic and law? Now drop few minutes the logic and law and live as you want. I have seen the guys, when we went to Himalayas, we went as a group. One guy, he started planning. We are all sitting and enjoying the whole Himalayas. And he was engrossed in thinking. I called him and asked him, "Oi, what are you thinking?" He said, "Swamiji, I wanted to have a house here. I'm planning to purchase a house here." I said, "That's all gone." Fool, now itself you are not able to enjoy. If you have a house, you will start thinking about maintaining it. And you will start bothering about locking it. You will start bothering about geyser is not working, this is not happening, water is not going, current is not coming. You will start bothering about all those nonsense. You have come all the way from your house to here to forget about all that nonsense only. And you want to have one more house here. And you will try to keep somebody to maintain the house. Then you will think nobody is maintaining her. So many unnecessary troubles. So naturally, you will end up only into more troubles. Don't use your logic. Only if it is your property you can enjoy. Now pamper yourself for a few minutes. Relax into your fantasies. Don't have logic. Don't say or don't think it is not true, I'm just fantasizing. No. Let your mind fantasize. The maximum fantasies. I heard that I was in the other NSP, one guy was telling, I wanted to become like a guru like you. I said, all right, fantasize and sit in the chair, only then you will understand how many thoughts are there. Understand, whatever you want, just live. Live. Then you will see so many desires just withering out and dropping. They just drop like a dead leaves. Dead leaves. The other desires will have the potential energy and they will start working out in your life. So enter into the Svarga for a few minutes. You will simply be able to enter because by the time your logic will be subdued, you will be simply able to experience the pranic sarira. Second layer. These are two steps. First step, the energy cycle, the breathing cycle. Next step, allow all the desires to happen. If you want, allow your body to move as it wants. Allow your mind to move as it wants. Allow your sounds to move as it wants. Let everything happen. Allow it. Sitting down. First step you will be standing. Second step you will be sitting down. One more thing. In the first step itself, few people, they can't stand. Automatically they will fall down. If you fall down, don't bother. That is why the beds are arranged. So only arrange in such a way, make so much place. Even if you fall down, you don't disturb the next person. Next person. Only make little clear space for you to fall down. But don't fall by yourself. Don't fall by sleeping. I will be here. You should, if you are not able to bear, if you are not able to really stand, you should fall automatically. As long as you have awareness and logic, don't fall. Try to stand. If it is too much beyond your control, if you fall by yourself automatically, then let go.
And continue the breathing?
No, then once you sit, again start the breathing. Again start the same cycle. In whole complete first cycle, till I give the instruction, continue the breathing. The second step, you don't have to continue the breathing. That can be normal.
Any counts are there? Hold your breath for so many
As much as possible. Then you will be able to hold the clutch and enter.
Second step, you only sitting.
Yes.
Sitting.
Yes. I'll guide you. You can even stand in the second stage. If you can, it is better to stand in the second stage. Please stand up. Tie the ribbon.